What is up, YouTube? This is Zero Prince, and I'm back once more, and I'm talking crazy fast and I've had too much coffee! That's not true. I really haven't had that much coffee today. I'm just, you know, in a good mood. I love life. I love you guys, and I hope you guys are loving your lives. I hope you guys are also loving my life, because I do love my life, and I love your lives. And all lives in general. I say that, but then you think about the size of all, and that's huge. There are maybe lives that we don't know exist in terms of life forms and stuff, and who is to say if I'd love them or not, but I bet I would. I bet I would unless they were turdy. Just giant, turdy life forms, and I don't know that those exist any place except for maybe someplace way off in another galaxy or universe or whatever. Who knows? Who knows? Alright, well, I'm going to go inside of the store here. There's a grocery store by low. I don't know if you guys have those wherever you are in the world or in the country. I think they're, for the most part, a southeastern regional chain. But I'm going to run inside of Bi-Lo. I'm going to grab maybe some mangoes, maybe some peaches, some South Carolina peaches, because South Carolina produces more and much better peaches than the state of Georgia. Just kind of an FYI for you alls. I'm going to run to the store, got to grab some peaches, maybe some mangoes, maybe an onion or two, and I'm going to go home and make myself some mango or peach or pineapple or whatever I decide to go with. Habanero sauce that's actually quite sweet. I didn't tell you guys. I made this hot sauce. It's a habanero hot sauce, and I thought that I put like 3 peaches and some pineapple and all sorts of stuff in there. And I thought that it would make it sweet almost no matter what, because I was going to roast all the ingredients first. Turns out, by adding, I believe it was 13 habanero peppers, which until about a decade ago was the hottest pepper on the planet. Correct me if I'm wrong, and I'm sure you will. Yeah, 13 of those, 5 small, ripe, that's what 5 means actually, not that, Thai chilies. 1 fully ripened, fully red jalapeno that was, I don't know, this big, that fat. It was a nice one. But anyways, it made a delicious sauce. It's a little too hot for me. It's a little too hot for most people, as a matter of fact. But it is still delicious. It's actually the day after now, of course, as you can probably tell, seeing as how, you know, I'm wearing glasses and not in my car and all that stuff. That was a personal problem. And needless to say, I fixed my storage issue, and now we're good to go. But thank you guys for watching. The sauce is actually done. I like to let it just hang out for a couple of weeks because the flavor, it goes from just hot and sweet to just this really complex and really nice flavor, and that's with the one that's like crazy hot. So I think that this one's going to be even better. It's definitely going to be edible, and it's still pretty hot though, like for being completely for realsies. But I'll catch you guys later. I appreciate you watching in spite of my nonsense jumping from one day to the next, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.